What do we have here? I stopped at Home Depot today and picked up the ultra bright garage light. Beyond bright, 7,000 lumens. So this should be more than enough light for this garage in here. I've been using this right here, my photography light, and that's a very expensive way to light a garage. So I'm gonna put this light bulb here up there in that socket, and the hope is that I will no longer need that light and this light. So let's open this up, see what this is all about. Let's do it. Oh, there's a seal there. All right, whip out the handy dandy knife here, box cutter. There we go. Throw the manual back in there. Well, here we go. Man, almost looks like a satellite, doesn't it? Or an alien spaceship. Got the articulating arms here, or panels. Looks pretty cool. So the way I want to set it up is to have it something like this. That way I'm getting the light in as many places around the garage as possible. Something like that. So let me get on up there and install this. It's a little weird to hold this while screwing it into the socket up there. Okay, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Hope I maintained my grip here. Alright. I'm gonna turn these around. Ooh, that far one's gonna be hard to reach from here. Let's get that up. And here we go, moment of truth. Oh, wow. That is nice and bright. Let me turn this one off first. Wow. Would you look at that? Let me turn this off too. Yeah. Nice and bright in here. Now, when I have the hood up though, all this area is in a shadow. Ooh, now we gotta find a way to light this better. Well, let me step back and get a good view of this. Okay, I might be able to get used to this. I could use a flashlight while I'm under there or something. Well, 7,000 lumens. It's not as bright as I thought it would be, but it's still a lot better than it was with the other bulb. All right, that's it.